Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have this foam board poster stand, double pole, black, one pack. So we're gonna take this thing, check it out. Oops. I'll show you guys what we got here. Comes with gloves, so I can give it white glove treatment, because I give everything white glove treatment, because that's how I roll. But these are like rubbery, kind of cool. Okay. There you go. Comes with a couple of screws. And this is what it's going to look like. Let's figure this out here. I'll put this, I'll take this out. Oops. It rises up and down. Let's see. Why did I put these gloves on? Okay, and then this is the base. So let me get rid of this box here. So that's the base. This is gonna go on here, and then we'll be able to raise this and lower this and make it our stand. So let's see what we gotta do. Put it together. So we have, sorry, I'm taking off the gloves. Okay. Here we go. So this is going to be through here, and we'll screw through the back to attach it on to this. There you go. Sorry, I take a while to screw these things in, but you'll see it'll be done here in just a second. And there it is. So check this out. So here you go. So this is your stand, so you can raise and lower this stuff here and lower it, so you can put things in there and it'll hold it in place. And just, that's kind of how it works. You just sandwich everything in between there as it shows on the instructions. It comes with a couple of extra screw wheels, I guess, if you lose any of these. Hopefully you won't. But that's kind of how it works. And then I just would sandwich my sign in between here. So I like it. Thumbs up. Very nice.